Administering PN at home, preparing for the procedure. This video will review the steps required to set up your environment before mixing and administering home parenteral nutrition, or PN solution. Your child's healthcare team may teach you how to mix and administer PN at home. This procedure uses ANTT, or aseptic non-touch technique. It is important to follow all procedures carefully to keep your child safe. Do not perform these procedures unless instructed to do so by your child's healthcare provider. Preparing for the procedure. The pharmacy will deliver the PN solution in a dark plastic bag to protect it from light. You should leave the solution in this bag until you need to prepare it. The pharmacy will place the label on the dark plastic bag. You must check the PN label to be certain that it has your child's name on it and the expiry date is current. If there's a recent change to your PN prescription, your medical team may ask you to look at the ingredients listed on the label. Preparation of your child's PN solution must be done as close to your child's PN hookup time as possible. PN is treated like a medication and should be given at the same time every day. Remove the PN solution from the fridge at least 4 hours before the procedure. This will ensure that the solution warms up to room temperature and any bubbles from the warming process disappear. Do not take the solution out of the bag while it's warming up. Setting up your environment. Just like all other aseptic procedures, you will begin by setting up your work environment. First, locate an area to perform the procedure. Find a quiet space and remove any pets or other children. You can limit air drafts by closing windows and doors and turning off fans. Remove any clutter. Do not use your child's bed as a work surface. Do not use a changing table, as this is not a clean area. Find a stable, wipeable work surface to place your supplies. Clean the surface with a disinfectant wipe or alcohol before each use and allow it to dry. Place a garbage bin and hand sanitizer within reach. You will also need a clock or cell phone to use as a timer. It is important that this method of timing is hands-free to prevent touching your phone after cleaning your hands. Wash your hands thoroughly using soap and water. You may use hand sanitizer if your hands are not visibly soiled. Supplies. Gather your supplies and place them within reach on your clean work surface. You will need 4 alcohol swabs, 2 21 gauge needles, a mask, a 10 milliliter syringe, a 1 milliliter syringe, Multi 12 K1 vitamins. This is a 2 vial set, 1 purple top and 1 blue top, a vitamin K ampule, an ampule cracker, the bag of PN solution, and a sharps container. Put on your mask. This will prevent droplets from your mouth and nose getting onto your clean supplies. Remove the PN solution from the dark bag. You should check the solution for any floating particles. If you see particles, the solution should not be used. You are now ready to mix the PN solution.